Hey there, what's up guys? It's Fergal here and thanks for checking out my review. Now before we get started with the review, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then be sure to check out the first link in the description. Now back to the review. When you pick up this product from the second link in the description, you're going to get my 4 bonuses delivered to you automatically. Bonus number 1 is I'm going to show you how I get 250,000 brand new email subscribers every single Friday. This is not a method, it's not a technique or anything like that. I literally show you where to go, how to pick them up. You get them guaranteed, and then you mail them with your self-hosted autoresponder that I also show you how to set up. The self-hosted autoresponder costs between $3 and $12 per month, so it's very, very cheap, even when you have 5 million email subscribers. Bonus number 2 is I'm going to show you the 2023 free traffic method that I am using right now to get tons of traffic to my websites, offers and blogs. This will be delivered to you as well automatically as a free bonus when you pick up this product. Bonus number 3 is I'm going to show you how to rank all of your YouTube videos first on YouTube so that you can get massive rankings and massive traffic from your YouTube videos to any offer that you want. Bonus number 4 is I'm going to give you your own offer to promote. My Empire course is one of my best-selling courses ever. I'm going to give you 100% commission throughout the funnel so that you can promote it as your own course. So with that said, let's check out what this product is all about. And remember, if you would like me to build your entire internet marketing business for you and stay with you until you get to $10,000 per month, then check out the first link in the description. If you would like to pick up the product that I'm reviewing right now, check out the second link in the description. Cheers guys, let's check out what this product is all about.
Welcome back. You can make a Zapier connection inside an individual product. For example, if we were to go inside of one of our products and we were to come down to the point in which we can create a new connection or integration. When we click that new creation, we can then select a specific service. When we select the service, we can then select Zapier. That's going to bring us to this screen, and we're going to give this connection a name. And you're going to notice that you're going to have an API key, and you're going to need this API key when you connect to Zapier. What you're then going to do is you're going to click Create a Zap. Now, assuming that you already have a Zapier account, you're going to want to log in to your Zapier account in order to accept the invite. You're going to want to give your Zap an internal name here inside of your account. What you're then going to do is choose a specific event. And you can use any one of these settings. So for example, we can make the connection to be one that's going to be based on a new affiliate request. We're then going to do is click Continue. We're then going to choose a specific Zapier account. We're then going to connect a new account. And what you're going to do is to place the API key inside of the dialog box and then click Yes, Continue. What you can then do is click Continue. What you'll then do is you'll choose a specific offer inside of your Zapier account. And you'll choose the specific offer. Once you have done this, you will have made the initial connection to Zapier, and you can then begin to make Zapier a connection with another third-party application. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.